Hello friends, my name is Dr. Parul Sharda, working as an associate professor in Indore Management Institute and Research Center. So in my previous video I was talking about the life lessons. So first lesson which we have learned was the health. Health must be on the priority. So today is the time for second lesson. The second lesson which I have learned in my life is education. Education is the key to all happiness. Why I am saying this is because if you want to achieve all your dreams in your life, if you want to achieve or if you want to fulfill all your desires in your life, you must get your education. But being a teacher, what I see nowadays is be it be the student of a school or be it be the student of a college, the students are running from the studies. I don't know why the students do not want to understand that if they will not get their education on time, or if they will not get their education as per the trends which are going on, like going in class regularly or attending the classes regularly and sitting in classes, doing their homework, updating them. If they do not do studies this way, they will not be prepared to face this competitive world. And so dear students, when I am saying about the education means whatever you are studying in your books or whatever you are studying in your literature, it must be implied in your life as well. Because unless and until you are not applying all those theories or all those literature what you have studied in your books into your life, like for example, ethics in life, we must be grateful for what we have, we must be grateful for our parents, we must be happy with what we have. These are the ethics which we studied. So it must be reflect in your personality, the way you walk, the way you study, the way you speak, the way you handle others, the way you behave with others. After understanding the application of theories and books into the life, I would suggest all my students that once you complete your education, you must update it regularly. Take the example of your mobile phone, your laptop or your desktop. It requires the software update regularly within 3 months or 6 months, you say. Being the machine, it requires the updation. So why, being the human being, you do not require the updation? Whatever theories or whatever books you have studied a decade ago, it needs updation. So you can update yourself through the various courses like the Coursera, Udemy, or the MOOCs courses or the Swayam courses which are running online. And you can also improve yourself or update yourself through the daily newspapers, magazines of your interest area, and also through the new versions of the books. So what I mean to say is update yourself every now and then, so that you can so that your education or your knowledge will not get obsolete. So dear students, this was all about the second lesson of life. और जाते जाते सिर्फ 2 लाइनें आपसे कहना चाहूँगी कि डिग्रियाँ तो सिर्फ तालीम के खर्चों की रसीदें हैं, डिग्रियाँ तो सिर्फ तालीम के खर्चों की रसीदें हैं, इल्म वही है जो किरदार में झलके. So the meaning of these 2 lines is whatever you learn through your education, it must reflect in your personality. I will connect you soon in my next video with the life's third lesson. Thank you very much.